Okay, hello everybody again. This is your unboxing Tito. Okay, Sir Kicks. So, okay, how do we start? Again, it's been a long while since we had an unboxing together. So, I've been busy these past few days. Mahirap talaga ang buhay na alipin ng salapi. So, kailangan talaga magtrabaho. So, one of the things that I'm unboxing right now is something that is, I would say, I really love this item. This is a beautiful acquisition, especially for the individuals who will share this particular, I wouldn't say hobby, but enthusiasm for this particular item. By the way, I'm just cleaning, hindi siya Dragon Ball, but like a clear sphere of our galaxy, our solar system. But anyway, so today I'm gonna be unboxing a particular item that is, for me, my opinion, napaka-sulit, napakaganda niyang item. It is something that is, I wouldn't say practical, I guess not everyone will share the same enthusiasm about this particular hobby of mine. Pero ever since ever since I started working, this is one particular item that I buy from time to time. I buy several of this particular item, and syempre, every day I can only wear one from time to time. Just to give you a heads up, it's not shoes. Okay, this is something that is much more. I wear it every day, and when I was starting when I was starting employment, so syempre pagkatapos ko mag-aral, I started working agad, and then this is one of the things that I thought, or I figured, that was necessary on a daily basis. So whether I was going to work or going somewhere, this is an accessory that I believe that I should always have. And then out of practicality, syempre I acquired one, and then when I got fond of wearing one, I thought, syempre hindi siya bagay minsan sa ibang suot ko. So naisip ko, bili siguro ako ng isa para mabagayan niya yung suot ko for that particular day. So long story short, one of the things that I often acquire is a watch. So very practical kasi na, alam mo yun, for typical working individual, every day, it is practical to have a watch back then. Or even up until now, syempre, parang alam mo yun, out of practicality, although, syempre, alam naman ng mga tao, watch nasa phone naman yun ng mga tao, so you always have that, lagi kang, pag may phone ka, meron ka ng automatic na orasan. Pero kasi nga, yun nga, for me, parang accessory siya, at parang, ewan ko, I have this weird feeling na pagka lumalabas ako ng bahay, parang feeling ko hindi ako balance. So, parang sanay ako palagi na meron ako suot na watch. At most of the time, yung oras ko naman, or whenever I look into time, I don't look at my phone. Kumbaga, tumitingin ako sa phone ko pag may message o tatawag. Okay, but when it comes to particularly sa time of the day, I always look at my watch. So, syempre, few years later, nauso na rin ang smartwatch. So, or watch na pedometer, which is most of the time digital watch ang mga yan. So, practical naman. You recharge it. Pagka quartz na watch, you replace the battery every few months, minsan years. So, okay din. Sulit na rin. Pero pagka kunyari, oh by the way, pag late ko nga na lang na-realize kung may swatch na watch ka, changing of the battery is forever. Kaya maganda rin pala magkaroon ng swatch na watch. So pero pag naka-automatic watch ka, definitely movement is required. Nag-ano na siya, self-winding. So medyo marami na rin ako natutunan about watches, and gusto ko din naman magsuot. So I have several watches for several occasions. Iba very casual, iba very formal. I will not discuss kung ano na yung mga watches na meron ako kasi nakakahiya naman. But I do own several watches, and yun nga, I acquire them or I buy them depending for occasions. Tapos pag may bihirang-bihira yung pag nakahiligan ko lang o nauso lang, saka lang ako bibili. Pero I don't own that much watches. So pero yun nga, ang problema ko, dahil may mga nabili nga akong watches, pagkatapos ko silang suotin, I put them in the box, and then yung box where they come in, and then tatabi ko na. Tapos syempre nakatago lang siya doon, nakatabi, nasa isang corner lang siya sa room. For me lang, hindi ako nagagandahan doon sa pwesto niya. And then a few months or last year, I saw some unboxing videos na may nakita ko sa mga TikTok, mga YouTube, na meron yung mga magagandang lagayan ng watches. One particular watch box, or one particular winding apparatus ng mga automatic watch that comes into mind is dun sa mga nakanood ng Doctor Strange. Diba meron yung isang scene doon, si Doctor Strange, surgeon siya, so ang dami niyang watches. Meron yung isang drawer siya na pag binuksan mo, nag-wind, may mga watch winders siya. So ang ganda na itsura. So tapos meron yung paminsan-minsan nakikita akong videos na pag walk-in closet, sa gitna naka-display yung mga jewelry boxes or mga watches nila. Tapos yun nga, naka-winding machine sila. So ang ganda. So I always thought I wanted one. And yun nga lang, yung nakita ko yung mga lagayan, ang mamahal, meron pa yung mga customized. So ang nakakainggit. So a few months ago, I thought of looking into one, and luckily it came through. So dumating na siya the other day, and now I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, so sit back, relax, and join me as we unbox it. Okay. Hi again, everybody. So ito na siya. So ito siya. So ang laki ng box, diba? I already opened the box kasi ang laki talaga. But I will show you. I will bring it out now. So by the way, just so you know, this is quite a big box. Ayan, kita mo. So yan, nandito siya sa lap ko. So halos kalapad ko. Tapos ganyan siya kataas. So, halos isang dangkal siya. So the size is actually here. Ayan, no? So it's 36 by 29 by 24 centimeters. Okay. I'm not really sure if it's really heavy, pero kasi pag sinasabi niyang okay, 3 kilos yung buong box kasama yung item, but the item is around 2.5 kilos. So I would say relatively mabigat siya. I'm assuming dahil kaya siya mabigat kasi good quality material. So yan. So it comes in a box. And then pag open mo ng box, may styro. So syempre, it is handled with care. So thank you very much to the seller. Okay. This is I'm not really sure or I'm not, I could not give the details if it's customized, because I believe this is very generic. This is handmade, and it was what do you call this? It was assembled, but everything about the body or the apparatus is handmade. Okay, so ito na siya. Okay, medyo okay, so ito siya. Yun lang. Okay, so yeah, there it is. So here, ito na siya. Okay, ito na siya. So yeah, pretty much the box has nothing left, so it's just this, and then yung mga styrofoam niya. Forgot to put this styrofoam inside. Ito yung instructions niya. So, may instructions naman siya on how to operate the item. So before we do so, okay, I will open this. Okay. So okay, use the paper. Okay, so here is the box. Okay, magulo yung camera, no? Sorry about that. So here is the box itself. Okay, so ganda actually niya. Okay, there is a off ko lang yung camera. Off ko lang yung movement ng camera. Okay, so ito siya. The adapter is inside, so I will explain later why there is an adapter, but first I will show you how it looks like. So here it is. So wait, I'll give you a better angle. So ito siya. Okay, okay, so ito siya. So you can see, napakaganda ng pagkagawa. These are hand stitched down. So ito na siya, guys. Okay, so all of this, okay, so all of this is, wow, premium leather siguro. Actually maganda yung pagkagawa niya, and according to the distributor, these are all hand stitched. Okay, this is breakable glass, so kaya sabi nila handle with care daw. Okay, so when you open it, wow, okay, very quiet opening. Sa ilalim naman ito is watch handlers naman. So diba, itong ano to, this actually goes around. These are actually winders, automatic winders. So iikot siya for your automatic watches that requires winding pag hindi nyo siya suot, kasi pag hindi nyo siya suot madalas it might stop. But in this case, iwa-wind niya para tuloy-tuloy lang siya. And then ito naman for your dalawa siyang purpose. So kunyari hindi mo siya kailangan i-wind, i-ano mo siya dito, lalagay mo na siya dito. After mo i-wind, lagay mo siya dito. Yung mga automatic watches mo dito. Okay? Or, kung naka quartz naman, yeah, you put it here. One good thing about having a watch case is that I'm not really sure if it's still the case, but there are some watches na hindi sila shockproof. So pag naglalapit yung dalawang watches, the polarities of their batteries, I'm not sure if that's still the case, na it affects each other to the extent that yun nga, minsan nasisira yung battery siguro, kaya mabilis siya mag-stop. Okay? And yun yung dati pa, pero I'm not really sure if that's the case now. But this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So technically, this can house 10 watches. Okay? Meron ako nakita na ang dami. Malaki pa talaga. As in, meron yung, diba yung kay Big Boy Cheng? Oh, grabe yun. Malaki na yun. Sobra. Although, syempre, Big Boy Cheng yun. Idol yun eh. Talagang big time yun. So, pero ganda pa, may fingerprint pa yon na ano. So, but then again, as I said, Big Boy Cheng yun. Hindi natin ka-level yun, taas nun. Ano yun eh. Ano lang tayo, medyo down to earth pa tayo. Si Big Boy Cheng medyo nakaangat na yun. So, lugi tayo dun. Pero idol na yun. So, yun. So, this is it. So, I will show you kung ano pa itsura niya around. So, open, manual open close siya. It's a soft opener. Okay, wait lang. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, ito yung box. So, if you look at the side, so, yan, diagonal na siya. So, that pag naka-flat siya, you can actually see your watch agad, naka-display. So, hindi yung silip ka pa. So, talagang, once sa display mode na siya, talagang you can view it, except yung kumbaga kita mo yung mga winding watch, you really have to look on top to see yung anim na display na naka-steady display. Okay, so yeah, ganyan ko na siya. So okay, with because the case or the leather is medyo makapal, especially on the cover and yung sa pinaka landing ng cover, and very silent close opener siya. Ganda nung latches. Oh, pakakintab, nakakaokok, parang ayaw mong hawakan kasi you know yung pag hinawakan mo siya talagang kapit fingerprints and talagang ma-OC ka kung gusto mo punasan talaga. So I'm really, for now, hindi ko muna siya hawakan kasi feeling ko ma-okokan ako pag punuhaan ko siya, madudumihan. Okay? The glass, being that it's still new, is this is a little, medyo makapal naman siya, pero babasagin pa rin. And because it's new, it's very clean. So, it came with wala siyang plastic cover So, alam mo yung, yeah. So, yun, as I said, na-OC ako. So, okay siya. Now, yung pinaka nito is at the back. Ito yung pinaka gusto kong. Tingnan nyo muna ilalim. So, yeah. This is suede. So, very makapit yung niya, yung ilalim. So, just put it on any surface. Wag lang maduduming surface or wag lang sa lupa because mahalata mo dumi, but it allows yung medyo firm grip on where it is standing on. Okay? But ito yung pinaka gusto kong pakitang feature. Okay? This is the back. Okay? So, kaya may adapter because this is where the outlet goes. And this is the switch of the winders. Ang dalawang winders. Okay? So, let's test it. Okay? So, yan. Okay? Okay. Okay. So we stick it there. Okay, we put it there. We now plug this in and we watch it. We switch it on, switch on the right one. We switch on the left one. So I believe this will have parang meron siyang internal program or internal program winder na after a few hours it will rotate the other way naman, and after a few hours it will rotate back clockwise, then a few hours it will rotate back counterclockwise. Okay, so kumbaga meron siyang smart active programming, okay, na built-in. Okay, so if you have a lot of automatic watches, yan, susulit mo. Okay, then pagka you have more than 4 automatic watches, pwede mo na lang sila pagpalit-palit, interchange nyo na lang. Okay, sobra, no? Ang ganda. So I don't wanna mention the price kasi medyo pricey siya, but for watch enthusiasts and for wives or girlfriends that may husbands or may boyfriend na watch enthusiasts, this is a perfect gift. Napakagandang gift niya. Okay, I know your husband or your wives will appreciate it, and doon naman sa mga guys na interesado lang, okay, this is a good buy if you're really into watches. Okay, so I would really this is a must-have for guys like us to, you know, kahit na ang ano kasi parang ang watch kasi medyo ayan oh, like that oh, humihinto siya. Hinto siya. Ayan. See. So na lang. Pinatay ko lang to. Okay. So talagang ano siya. Meron siyang timer. Okay, kasi ikot siya after a few minutes. Okay. So yeah, so for watch enthusiasts, this is something that I would suggest that you acquire for safekeeping. Yung iba, I believe there are products like these na meron pang nakalock talaga. May fingerprint locking, may numerical locking. Alam natin kung gaano kamahal pwede abutin ng isang watch, and to keep a timepiece, it's pretty much yung version natin, ito yung version natin ng jewelry towards women. If women keep like Louis Vuitton bags, diamond earrings, necklaces, any kind of shiny jewelry, sa lalaki ito yung version natin. Ito yung ganito ang pinaka crown jewel siguro natin. Okay? And yung iba naman, actually, I know individuals, I know people, other men, na yung mga watch nila, okay, hindi siya mamahalin, or hindi sila yung mga, let's just say, hindi sila yung mga timepieces that you know na mahal, yung mga tipong 100,000s or millions, but most of them, ang price possession nila na watch, hindi nasa presyo. It's more like a family heirloom. Okay? I believe meron kaming one of the heirlooms, well, not exactly an heirloom, but one of the things, one of my watches that I keep, although wala siya sa akin ngayon, nandun siya sa house ng parents ko kasi my mom kept it, but it was the very first watch that was given to me, that was gifted to me by my father. It is a Bulova watch. It was a gift to me by my father when I graduated high school. So that was my watch all throughout college. Okay, and I only stopped using it maybe around right after I graduated college. Tapos nandun lang siya sa bahay. Nung graduate kasi, nung graduate ako, I tried to look for a job agad. So, while I was looking for a job from time to time, na hindi ako lumalabas or hindi ako nag-a-apply ng trabaho, so lumalabas ako, nagba-basketball ako. I don't wear watches, syempre. Basketball ako eh. So, iniwan ko siya sa bahay to the extent na nakalimutan ko na lang na suotin siya on a regular basis. Tapos, yun na, bumili na ako ng bagong watch. So, yun, para naging alternative watch ko na lang. So, I guess, nung minsan na pinaayos ko yata o pinapalitan ko ng battery, nakalimutan ko lang kunin sa mom ko. So, that reminds me, I need to get that watch again. But, that's one of the oldest and, for me, one of the most important timepieces that I own. Which is ironic, wala sa akin. But, because I remember it now, because meron na ako nitong lalagyanan na to. Di bali, I will make another video showing that. Mami, remind mo sa akin yun. But yun nga, I know people who does the same. Hindi naman sobrang mahal ng mga watches nila, but it has sentimental value, may sentimental value sila sa kanila. And I share the same sentiments with those people, and I have high respect for individuals who are like that, because yun nga, aside from my watch that was given to me, that was gifted to me by my father, the importance there is yung gift niya sa akin. And my father is still alive, but it commemorates that lasting agreement, that lasting gentleman's agreement, that one of the things that my father was able to give me was not the watch, but the idea or the concept or the understanding that time is fleeting. And that watch actually represents that. And all throughout my college, I was wearing that, and every time I see it, I remember a lot of memories through it. Kasi yun ang commemorative timepiece about it. So, I believe we also have yung watch ng lolo ko. So, alam ko na tago yun. So, yun, ano rin yun, importante rin yung watch na yun. So for us gentlemen, having a timepiece that you can say that was passed on to you, it is something that you can also pass on maybe to your next generation, which I intend to do to my children, okay, or to the next generation. So but before you can pass it on, of course, definitely you have to take care of it. And having one of these boxes siguro not only commemorates but also protects that honored tradition, okay? And maybe it's something that you can start, okay? So thank you very much for joining me in unboxing this watch box, okay? And I hope to see you again in the future.